Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Poco M5. For that you have several ways for it. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So you will need the power button for and the volume down button. Just press them for the same time and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can send this preview also directly to your friends with WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button, just for short, together, and you're having a screenshot. If you tap them, by the way, also in the preview here, you have the chance to edit the screenshot as well. You could draw something inside, you can highlight something, you can crop a part here of the screenshot. Very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website and so on, or someone's WhatsApp status, etc. It's pretty cool. You can share this edited part here, by the way, with this icon or with the checkbox here. You send it directly to your gallery. And there's a second way to have a screenshot, and for that you will need 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen, and you're having a screenshot as well. But please take care at this method, don't do it from the very top, because then you will have the notifications here. So do it below the camera, and you're having a screenshot as well. A pretty nice way, by the way. And there's a third way to have a screenshot. For that we will need the control center, so just scroll on here. Scroll then a second time, then you have much more icons here, and one of the new ones is here the screenshot, with the scissor in it. Just tap on it and you're having a screenshot as well. You're where to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery. And they're mixed up here, the photos with your camera pictures and so on. So this is why I recommend to you to go here on the albums, because the screenshots have here their own folder just for your screenshots. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on if you want. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.